morning. It is a sunny day here in Subic and we are going to be riding to Mapanuepe today. As you can see, we have our full off-road gear on and we have a bunch of riders here beside us. So we're with Motorcycle Cinema today and we're going to be talking more about all of this later. We're just prepping now for a ride. It's going to be an hour and a half from here and it's going to be fun. It's just kilometers and kilometers of lahar riding and I am really looking forward to it. We're going to have a lot of time to shoot there later as well. So for now, let's just hit the road first and we'll talk more later. First stop of the day, at least first stop of the Lahar Trail. This is where it starts to get a bit more difficult. So we've aired down our tires and yun nga, kompleto naman yung convoy namin. We have support cars, we have mechanics, so I'm in good hands. So as I mentioned, this is my first time riding sa Lahar, but I'm really excited. Hindi ko lang kung ano itong pinasok ko, pero kakaalaman. Sobrang exciting kasi ang ganda ng tanawin. Kung kita nyo naman sa likod ko. And it's my first time here, it's Aaron's first time here, and for a lot of these people, it's really their first time here as well. So it's gonna be a new experience for all of us and I'm really excited. It's gonna be fun. Let's go. All good, all good, all good. Kaya tayo yeah. Up, right. All good. Kulang ba ako sa momentum?
Kulang ka sa likod.
Kulang ako sa likod.
Tapos, di ba, ito yung regular stance mo sa positioning. Gawin mo, pagbigyan mo ko, do it here. Back pa lang konti. Yan, ha? So, no more weight here. Less weight. Para in case na mag-ganun siya, kaya mo i-adjust. Andito yung weight.
Tips for the river crossing.
So, move to second gear.
Second gear.
Para hindi siya mag-overshoot. Change distribution.
Okay. Okay. Ayun. All good. Eventually, nakatawid din naman kami dun sa ilog and after nun, with the help of our friends, medyo nagets ko din naman yung riding. So, yung nakuha ko na, medyo tuloy-tuloy na kami, smooth sailing na from there. Wala nang bagsak. Nice! Touchdown, Lake Mapanuepe. This is a private part of the lake. So this is where Motorcycle Cinema brought us. We have this whole entire area to ourselves. And wow, this is my first time here. This is amazing. Perfect weather for the ride. Ang init, pero at least hindi kami binagyo. Alam mo yun. And kumukulimlim ng konti, but chill lang. If ulanin kami pa uwi, it's all good. And as for me, I've learned so much already throughout this quick ride. And these guys know what they're doing, as I mentioned, and they helped me a lot. And first time ko kasi mag-ride sa Lahar. And it was very unnatural, yung kailangan mo gawin when you're riding in Lahar. Kasi really, just all of your weight has to be in the back and you have to put minimal inputs dun sa unahan, just the throttle. So it was very unnatural, but now, ngayong nagets ko na, sobrang saya. Tumawabo ako 2 beses. It was it was actually gnarly. It was very gnarly. Pero, funny lang. Pero nung nagets ko na, parang, shit, ano na, dire-diretso na from here. So at this point, we were just having lunch, just sharing meals with one another, and just enjoying our time by the lake. Pahinga lang before the ride back, and I think that's one of the best parts. Just the community of riding, and it's really part of the ride itself. Just sharing conversations and having a good time with friends. That's just really part of the riding experience. Kahit saka pa magpunta, kasama yun. We're here with Cliff of Motorcycle Cinema. Cliff, thanks for guiding me through the trail today. Like I mentioned multiple times before, first time ko sa Lahar, and these guys took care of me solid. Anyway, I just want to talk about like what we did here today. So basically, you guys helped with production for the Taiwanese clients today. Can you share more about that?
Thank you. Basically, thank you for your time. And so we're here now at Lake Mapanuepe. It's our second day of our tour and coverage in terms of our production team. The vision started basically 5 years ago with Sir Derek Key, which is the owner of Living a Balanced Life. This has been, I would say, like a extravagant opportunity for us to work and to play at the same time. We have thought of this a lot, and one of our goal here is to promote social impact programs as well, like including the cultural side of our country. Yesterday, we have this wonderful cultural immersion with the Aitas at Subic. They really appreciated it, and they even showed us some of the native people at Taiwan. So I hope this tour really evolves. As of now, we wish to see more of the appreciation coming from our Filipino people. Na sana hindi lang mga taga-ibang bansa yung maka-appreciate nito, but also us, na kung ano pa yung pwede nating maitulong, maipakita. Kasi it's been a great experience for us na we have been considered as a great country from foreign clients. Motorcycle Cinema has been serving most of the commercial brands, high-end commercial brands here in the country. So when it comes to difficult terrains, like off-road locations and like, let's say special spots, it's Motorcycle Cinema that you would want to cooperate or coordinate since the expertise are there already.
I also think nasakto because Motorcycle Cinema's ability to produce amazing content is like, it's a perfect way to promote rides like these, locations like these, and parang it just merges all our passions into just one thing.
Yes.
And I'm really excited for this to bloom in the future. Hopefully, if this turns into something bigger, we can do this again.
Yes.
But thanks, Cliff. Thanks again for joining us. I will talk to our Taiwanese friends
Let's
after
go.
this.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Matt Su. I'm from Taiwan, and I came to Philippines few years already, several times every year. Why I'm here? Because I love Filipino culture and the people. I do business with Filipino company, motorcycle company. When I start traveling with my friends, Derek, Ian, and Cliff, I decided to bring my friends from Taiwan to travel with us. And since last year, I bring my friend Lut and Jen. They came to Philippines, join with us. We're thinking more to bring more Taiwanese to let they know the beauty of Philippines. They show us the beauty, the culture about Philippines and Manila. And in the future, we hope more and more Taiwanese people to come, even Chinese, Japanese. When they see our video or any news is good and beauty and kindness about Philippines. That's what we hope more people to know.
Hello everybody, I'm Lutu, and I run a company in Taiwan which brings our customers to ride the forest road in Taiwan with CIF 150L. Yeah, and we take a lot of people in Taiwan. And we are hoping to, if there's a chance, we can take other people to Taiwan too. One of my another job is I run a YouTube channel, yes, which called Lutu Luter. Most of the videos are traveling around the world, like we've been to South Africa, Japan, Taiwan. Most of it is in Taiwan. Introduce Taiwan, introduce my country. This is my fourth time to come to Philippines riding. Yeah, the first time is because one of my friends, Matt, he knows a lot of people in Philippines. So they just asked me if you want to come. And at the start, I got very interested. Yeah, because I've never been to Philippines. Yeah, but once I come, I love it because of the, the landscape, the lake, everything is quite different than Taiwan. Yeah, I've been to Pinatubo last month. And well, it's interesting because we start up at about 4 o'clock and we go back to hotel about 2 a.m. Yeah, almost 24 hours. I want to bring my customers to Pinatubo also because I think the landscape is awesome. Yeah, they got a history and you can walk to the Crater Lake, yes. A feeling that I feel to Philippines now is I thought most of the Philippines are very kind. All people of you are so kind and I so love it. Yes, and I hope maybe someday you can come to Taiwan too. Yeah, riding together.
Hello, I'm Jen. I come from Taiwan. Yeah. 然后我很喜欢骑车、骑越野车。
And I love to riding dirt bike.
对，然后希望就是每一年都可以到各地骑车。然后我现在很喜欢到菲律宾。
I love to riding around the world, and now I love to ride in Philippines.
我想大家都对于女生好像不能骑越野车这件事情，就是会觉得很困难。但是依我的经验来说，我觉得非常的棒，然后一定是大家都可以的。
以你的经验这样。
对啊，就是可以的。
好 Somebody might think that a woman ride a dirt bike is so hard, maybe falling, hurt themselves. She think everybody can enjoy the landscape, just enjoy the landscape. So enjoy the landscape, the nature. Yeah. So not just riding. Yes.
It's been a very insightful afternoon. I've just been talking to everyone here at the campsite, and it's just been a fun experience talking about what these Taiwanese riders have experienced so far here in the Philippines, and just chatting with the people from Motorcycle Cinema and living a balanced life. And I've come to a few realizations after a lot of discussions with them. And one is that this is peak motorcycling for me. I'm not a veteran off-roader, but it speaks volumes just how this has impacted me with just this experience alone. This is it. This is peak motorcycling. You ride along with people, not even all of them are your friends, but you become friends along the way, and you learn a lot. You become a better rider. You learn about their backgrounds, their experiences, just sharing stories, and just riding home together and safely and having fun along the way. It's just peak motorcycling, beats any experience. Like, look at this view, look at this view. And speaking of that, that's another realization. There are so many beautiful places in the Philippines that we have yet to see. Like, Lake Mapanuepe is a popular spot, I know, but this experience also shows us that there's more than one way to get to one place, and quite arguably the best one is on two wheels. This has just been such a fun ride, and if you were waiting on a sign for you to go off-roading or to just learn how to ride on the trail, this is it. This is the sign. Ako hindi ako ganun kagaling, but these guys took such good care of me, and dami ko na natutunan. I feel like I've come out of this a better rider, and alam mo yun, parang this has been daunting. Kasi lahar to, hindi pa ako napunta dun before, even on four wheels, pero nagawa ko. And that's also something that if you want to take this on, this is something that you need to have, like a group of people with you that are experienced, able. Meron kaming support cars, we have full gear, meron kaming mekaniko na kasama, so if anything goes south, you're ready. And that's what responsible motorcycling is about. And this whole experience with Motorcycle Cinema and these Taiwanese riders, it shows us peak motorcycling in a responsible manner. I've always been an advocate of traveling locally. Kung may resources ka, may time ka, huwag ka na pumunta sa ibang bansa. I mean, it's fun and all, pero ang dami pang lugar dito na hindi pa natin na-explore. And it's an experience like this, a tour like this, that emphasizes na merong mga ganitong locations na we're still missing out on. This is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so many more to see in the Philippines. And I hope this blossoms into something bigger. I hope it turns into something much bigger than just motorcycling with a group of friends, but into something that promotes the country and its beautiful sights and places like this. So yeah, I guess I'll leave you with that. We have a long ride home left, but I'll just leave you with footage, and probably footage of me dropping along the way, but it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fun. And yeah, I guess this has been Leandre Grecia for Top Gear Philippines, and I'll see you guys in the next ride.